Alright, what's up traders? My name is Felipe Ramirez, Forex scalp and trading from the other side. Check this out. This is GU. Alright, if anyone um did anyone go in this went into this trade? Because I remember it was late. This was like 2 in the morning or something like that, right here. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. I want to show you guys something real quick before heading out to the daily chart. So I remember this was say what like over here, and then I kind of said, man, let's sell this. All right, let's sell this. So if we draw a couple lines here, you're gonna see an interesting pattern forming after a big drop from up over here. All right, so the trade I took was, I believe, I don't remember exactly what price it was, but I know it was here before the support, like before the support broke. And my take profit one, I think it was somewhere over here, and then take profit two, and then take profit three. So I secured my trades this morning around here, and then let them run the rest, and they just closed over here. That was sick. But let's see what happened. Why? How did it just, this actually broke, retest, continuation, made a kind of second retest pretty much. Notice the wicks. That's very important, okay? If we zoom in, look at the wicks. So wick, 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 wick. All right, these wicks are key, guys, especially because they are, they come out, they are born right at the resistance. After that comes a nice bullish engulfing candle. Sorry, bearish engulfing candle, and that helps me stay, stay in the trade. Sometimes it's okay to get out early or whatever, because you might have it reversed. But in this case, it just bye bye. All right, it wasn't as it wasn't. It was okay. It was a decent trade, meaning the pip amount was, it was okay. Yeah. So why did we take that trade? How? What are my signals? What are my confirmations? What's going on? Tell me. All right, so here's the thing. First of all, let's put that there just in case, because I need that later. I'm going to put this just like that. This is our interesting support right where it's at. So as a matter of fact, why don't we buy it now? No, I'm joking. If we bought this, we would have to go here. This area right here. And then it might just come here and then bloom again. But you never know. So let me here. Let's go to the daily first, and most important, daily charts always. Check this out. I mean, understand the big picture. First of all, this huge double top over here just switched the trend of the market since a long time ago. And now it's been fighting against this, like, check this out. If we do this, all right, this is an interesting kind of curvy situation over here. Okay, so that's an interesting trend line, and it has had its, it's interesting just to see that, because if we copy paste this, notice how it kind of matches down here, a little bit of that behavior. Okay, I want this like this, and I want this like this, and I want this like this. Okay, so where I'm going with this is that the market seems to start to be, it seems to be shifting now sideways. It's been kind of shifting sideways for a long time. Um, Now here though, check this out. This I'm just cleaning. I'm just drawing the big picture, okay, for you guys to understand. Check this out. Now we got a clear uptrend, huge up, and eventually, of course, market runs out of strength, reaches these key areas of resistance up over here, and then we have a nice bearish engulfing candle, and that takes it. It's been, I think, 50% retracement now. If we take this, yeah, if you, I think you can see it right there. It says 50%. So it's about to reach 50% retracement, And the thing is, though, we don't have anything secured about this trade. What if this is actually just what we have right here? Okay, we don't know if this is the actual border, the edge of that support trend line. And if we put it right here, this could be an interesting uptrend channel to finally recover from all this drop it's been having. So you never know. This is an interesting area right here where price is. Okay, it's 50% retracement. It could get down to 61, but if this bounces out of nowhere, it might go easily to test that last resistance that the market went to recently. Not recently, I mean that it was at before. Okay, so this is one scenario. The second one is this thing just keeps plummeting down, and reaches maybe 61%. And if you see 61%, it's an interesting support zone right here. This is 61 point. It's below 61.8, but here's 61.8. This is the interesting support area. I like this. I like this place. I like this support. I like this buying zone right here. Okay, I I'd pretty much like for market to break right now this support that it's at, and then make a pullback, get my short entries, and then hold this for a few weeks, because this isn't the daily chart and price might not fall straight down for 4 days. Let's keep zooming in a little bit. I want to go to the 4 hour and show you a bit to detail what I'm talking about. Look at that interesting wick now coming up right where we have this line. This is too thick. Let's leave it like that, like this, like that, like this. All right, so you know this is your support right here. Interesting. Look at that. This is traffic zone. This is the trend line. Interesting, invisible trend line, because no, I bet you there, a lot of people are just ignoring the fact that there might be an uptrend channel right there, a hidden channel. So what we are waiting for is the behavior of price within this area of support right here. Okay, look how it matches perfectly with this previous resistance, traffic zone right over here, and now price finally made it. So let's wait and see, because if this thing comes down, we might want to be looking for short entry opportunities right here. So at the intersection of the trend line, invisible trend line, and this new resistance area, and that's where we're gonna get in and hope for the best to come to this zone first, because remember that's the 61.8, and we don't know if from there the market is gonna rebound. It's gonna rebound, make it up to that resistance again. So this is my view on GU. Why did I take the trade now? Finally, I'm getting to my point. I'm sorry I took a little bit. I just wanted you to understand the big picture, okay? So notice also this interesting trend line over here, and if we copy paste that, we got ourselves a nice interesting channel right there. So yeah, guys, this is dangerous to trade right now. I wouldn't buy this right now. I wouldn't sell it. I would honestly wait. This is the 4 hour chart. I would wait for maybe a bullish engulfing candle to buy, or a close below this zone, this support zone, and then take the pullback for a short entry. But why did I take that short entry before? Let's go to the 1 hour now and realize something interesting. So this is the clear downtrend momentum. Boom, 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 boom. But notice how there hasn't been any pattern yet. There's, maybe not even, here was double bottom, interesting double bottom, and then boop, price kind of retested, and it continued going down. But there hasn't been any like symmetrical triangles, flags. So what I saw was the first pattern ever since pretty much January, and this was a descending triangle. Descending triangle, descending triangle has the same support but lower highs. So check this out: high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and it just market just it gets closed into that angle of the triangle against the support, and the book says these are bearish patterns. Of course, anything can happen, but all you got to do is just wait for confirmations. So confirmation for me was just the pattern itself. I took the straight over here. The smart move would have been wait for this close, back here on the retest, enter here. It would have been the same thing. Yeah, so I pretty much entered here. The market gave me some profit. It went back up. I was at zero. I remember seeing zero profit at a point minus the commission of my broker, and then it continued going down. So my trade was the risky entry trade. This is more the conservative confirmational trader, I guess. And then look at this right here. So my first take profit was near this support, and that's where I got out first. And then I saw price over here this morning, and I said, all right, I'll just close the rest. Take what the market gives you because you never know. This is just a wick, okay? Turns out though that wick was so strong, and in the past you already seen this is a key support area. So finally, price made it down to here, okay? Let's check out 5 minutes because I want to see something interesting in 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes, and come on. Apologies for the chart not moving. All right, what's going on? Um, okay, so having some trading view difficulties. Huh. I want to. It's too bad it doesn't show it is right here. What I want to tell you guys. Man, what is going on? 15 minute. All right. What are you doing? This is weird. Ay, ay, ay. All right, hold on. Are you moving yet? No, you're not. All right. Well, here we can see it. Um, all right. So what we start to see, I want you guys to focus on the size of the candles, man. But I still want everything up here to so you guys. All right. Let's go to 15 minutes. I'm really sorry about this. All right. Here it is. Check this out. I want you guys to start focusing on this range area. Okay. Notice the size of the candles for this was 11. Yeah, it was pretty much almost a day, a full day, where the market just was, it was very slow, you know. It was consolidated here, it was stuck, fake breakout back into the range, it was stuck, slow, steady, and then this big candle was the candle that helped me say, all right, I'm good to go, I'm safe, because I actually don't remember exactly what the price was. Let me quickly check Discord. And the GU was 129255. 129 two 129 255. So this was about over here. 255 right there. All right, so this was right on the support after seeing this big candle. Okay, so this candle gets a big body. Yeah, it does have a small wick over here if you can notice that. But what I'm interested in is the fact that it closed on the support and it's engulfing. It's pretty much bigger than all these previous candles. So that to me just shows me volume. It shows me decision at first, and then I'm taking the risk. So I said, all right, let's go for it. So as the chart was about to open that next candle, I made that trade, and then it started falling real quick, and I said, oh, nice, this is a sniper entry. But then it came back up, and I'm like, oh, all right, it's an okay entry. But it was a decent entry, though. I can't lie. This right here was pretty snipery. All right, so that's what helped me, guys. That's what made me open up the trade. This interesting candle in 5 minutes. So notice 50 minute, I mean, and then the five obviously looks bigger. So notice how I go back and forth different time frames. Okay, from daily to even 5 minutes. I motivate you guys to do that, and that's it. I wanted to show you guys. Instagram information is at the bottom of this video over here. Follow me on Instagram, and our Discord is Forex Scalp King. My name is Felipe, Forex Scalper trading from the other side. Join our premium group. Contact me anytime. Have a good day.